use Razorpay as a payment gateway for my business. And here, after receiving the payments, I wanted to have a proper data entry of all the payment details into my Airtable. But now manually doing payment entries takes a lot of time and it also increases the chances of error. That's where I automated this entire process of capturing the new payments to Razorpay and automating the data entry of all the new payments into my Airtable. And here I've set up this automation using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. Here I've connected my Razorpay with my Airtable account using this automation software. Now whenever a new payment is received through my Razorpay, instantly that detail is added in my Airtable as a new record. Sounds magical, right? Let me show you how it actually works by simply placing a test order using my Razorpay payment page. So this is my Razorpay payment page. Currently it is in a test mode and here I have already pre-filled some dummy details. So we are going to make a test payment over here. For the method I'm going to select net banking, then we are going to select a random bank and here we are going to make a successful payment. You can see we have successfully made a payment over here. So now let's go and check our Airtable account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see a new detail has been added over here with exactly the same details. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. Or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Also here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here we are going to start a fresh chat and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. Let me add it. It says when a payment is received on Razorpay, add it to Airtable. After analyzing my request, it is asking which Razorpay trigger should start this workflow. We are going to select payment captured and for Airtable create record. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here we have selected app and the app event, and here we have received a webhook URL. That means we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL and here I've already logged into my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay account and currently it is in a test mode. And we are going to set up the webhook inside this test account only. From here select developers and under developers select webhooks. Here you can see some existing webhook URLs. To add a new one, click on this add button. Here we are going to add the webhook URL. Secret is not required, and for the active event select same event which is payment capture. Click on this create webhook and you can see I have successfully saved a webhook inside my Razorpay account. That means I've connected my Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a test payment using our Razorpay payment page once again. For that, let me take you back to my payment page. Here I'm going to refresh it, and this time I'm going to add another dummy details and make a test submission. For the email, I'm going to enter it as latest@pabblytudes.com, and then I'm going to add a random phone number. Here we are going to add the full name as latest user. Then we are going to select a random product, random address, pin code, and then we are going to make a test payment. Again, we are going to select the method as net banking, and we are going to make a successful payment. You can see we have successfully made a payment over here. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received all the payment and order details. So here you can see the amount that we have received is 50,000, whereas the purchase that was made is for 500. That means we have received 2 extra zeros after decimal as well without any decimal over here. In that case, we need to extract the exact amount to add that detail into our Airtable as a new record. For that, what we are going to do is that we are going to use a number formatter by Pabbly, which is a feature of Pabbly, and using that we are going to extract the exact amount. For the app event, I'm going to select perform math operation, then we are going to click on this connect, and then here it is asking for numbers. So here I need to enter the numbers on whom I want to perform this operation. It says enter the numbers. Here you can enter the comma separated values to perform the operation. Example 100, 200 for 100 plus 200. So now here I need to enter that particular amount, and here instead of entering it manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new payment to our Razorpay. Instantly, this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and here we are going to search for the amount. So this is the amount, and here I'm going to divide this value from 100. So we're going to enter comma 100, and for the operation we have selected divide. Then we are going to click on the save and send test request. Here you can see we have received exactly the same amount. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now once the details have been received, we are going to create a new record for the same inside our Airtable. For that, I'm going to build a new connection over here, and here we are going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. Here it is asking for a base name and table name. You can see my base is with the name payment details. So we're going to select the same from the drop down. And for the table name, we are going to select Razorpay. Here it is asking for customer name, email, phone number, and some other fields. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Airtable. So again, here we are going to map all these details. For the name, we are going to map our customer's name. Here we are going to map the email address. Then here we are going to map the phone number of our customer. Moving forward, here we are going to map the payment amount from number formatter response. And lastly, the order ID. Alright, after adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new record inside our Airtable. Let's go and check it. You can see instantly a new row has been added over here with all the correct details. So with this, we have successfully set our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Razorpay for the example, and our action as number formatter and Airtable. So that whenever a new payment is captured through Razorpay, instantly using number formatter by Pabbly, it is going to extract the exact amount, and then all the payment details will be added in our Airtable as a new record. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to automatically do the data entry in Airtable for the new payments. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.